This year, I'd like to redefine what balance looks like for me. As a creative girly and corporate baddie, finding flow between the two worlds has been challenging for me. Some of my challenges are lack of energy, which goes hand in hand with lack of motivation, procrastinating when finally finding the time to work on passion projects, and lastly, staying focused. I believe that this is the year that I can create space for myself as a creative girly to explore all of the creative ideas I desire, but with intentionality, strategy, and systems that work for my reality. Heavy on the my reality, okay? If there is anything that I learned in 2024, it is that what works for someone else may not work for you, and that's okay. I'm no longer sitting around waiting for a master plan to fall from the sky. I'm moving with intention, and I'm putting action behind it. I know that this perspective is the best conception that I can have for myself moving forward.
Hello girly, welcome to my channel. I'm Nai and I'm so happy you're here. So let's get into it. Today is December 2nd. Happy December. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Okay, all the Christmas festivities are starting now. I just got off work. Well, I'm home now. I've been off work, but I just got home from work. And the traffic was horrendous. If you live in the DMV area, then you know. It's nasty out there. It's nasty out there, especially in DC. I'm coming from DC, so y'all know it's real nasty out there. Somebody actually, the way I go home, when I was driving that way, I noticed it was backed up. Like, it's never this backed up. It was so backed up. So I kind of like was paying attention to everybody that was supposed to be turning left. Come to find out, somebody literally drove their car into a public transportation bus, like the side of it. So no one could even go down the street. It was blocked off. So I'm hoping and praying that everybody's okay, because that's a lot. But I decided to go to Target after work today because Target ran a deal on the shoes for Black Friday and all that good stuff. And I bought my shoes for $35, but they're $25 at the moment. So I wanted my $10 back. Run me my $10 Target. So I did that, and now I'm back home and I got a package from H&M. I literally ordered these items. Did I order them on Black Friday? I want to say I ordered on my Black Friday. It's literally Tuesday. I'm low-key pressed. So majority of the things that I ordered, they're giving work attire, professional, corporate, girly, baddie, yeah. But then I also got a sweatsuit, and I think I got a pullover hoodie as well. But the pullover hoodie is supposed to go with like my corporate outfit. I usually wear like the pullover hoodies with like a collar shirt out of it, just to kind of be like casual but still chic. Let's get into this H&M package. It is another work day in the vlog. Just getting off. Had to run to Hobby Lobby and Target. Hobby Lobby, what? Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, I had to get a surprise. We're going to see Janae Aiko on Thursday. And it's a Christmas gift for my baby sister, so I'm making us hoodies for the concert. And then I went to Target to get one, pick up my Target order, and two, return a really cute jacket, but it's just not warm. And I just feel like if I'm gonna pay $26 for a jacket. I want it to be warm, you know, and that $26 can go toward an actual warmer jacket. So this evening is looking like, it's looking like shower, it's looking like eat dinner, and I don't know, I'm really trying to lean into this do nothing era of my life, like leaning into doing nothing sometime, because I always feel like I have to be doing something, or I need to be doing something. I know I keep kind of going back and forth, but it's like strange, I don't know. So yeah, I'm trying to kind of lean into doing nothing sometime, and I feel like especially during the work week I need to have a day, an evening where I do nothing. I just do whatever it is that I want to do, and sometimes that could just be watching TV or reading a book, I don't know. So I don't think today's gonna be one of those days, but
and welcome back to another day in the vlog. It is Thursday, December 5th, and this morning, excuse me, this morning I'm having some green juice that I made this week. And I don't know, I just wanted to hop on camera and just talk about how I've been feeling lately, because I've been feeling very unmotivated, very much off track, and I'm trying to find ways to help me get back on track. And by back on track, I really mean like a flow, a routine. Like, I am a routine girly. I love to have a routine. Like, I'm not on my Zoom, and I don't like not being on my Zoom. I haven't been in the gym. I don't even remember. I remember the last time I went to the gym. Do I? I don't think I do. I'm lying. I don't remember the last time I went to the gym. I miss being in the gym. I miss the environment. I miss putting my headphones in, locking in for like 45 minutes and just like working out, sweating. Like, I miss that. I can't wait to get back to that. So what I'm doing to plan to get back to finding flow and routine is, to be honest, I am taking some time today to just gather myself and ground myself and gather my thoughts. And what that looks like for me is journaling. Journaling is like something that I've been doing for years on years on years. And it's something that really has helped me express my feelings and reflect and plan. Journaling, my daily devotionals that I do every morning, I read my devotional. Yoga and movement is a big part of my life, because moving our bodies is so important, and we don't realize that we are so tense. I'm just trying to find my flow again. I'm trying to find a routine. So life is just ever changing, and right now I'm trying to lean into the ebbs and flows of this life, of this season of my life, because for whatever reason, God trusts me with this season, and he said, you got this, you're still here, you're still breathing, so there's more work to do, and I receive it. So that's that. I don't even know if it made sense to y'all. I know some people are probably new here, like, who is this girl? What is she talking about? She's telling us how she's feeling, like, girl, whatever. Some of y'all might be my friends, might be my tribe, I don't know, but hey, girl, hey. And then today is a very fun day, well, evening, because I surprised my little sister, who's 13, with Janae Aiko concert tickets. Me and my two sisters are going tonight to the concert. I'm going to insert the clip here to show you the surprise.
You ready for your early Christmas?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, listen. How I open this?
Oh, girl, I gotta open it. You gotta tell me what you think it is. Like, you gotta
It's a hoodie.
Okay, you gotta read the hoodie.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Okay. Oh, tomorrow.
For real?
Me, you, and Shanny.
We lit. We lit.
So she was so hype. She loves Janae. It's so funny because literally on her Spotify Wrapped, Janae was her top artist. So she literally showed me that right before I had decided that I was going to surprise her. So we're just all in alignment. Like, God be doing his big one. I'm just grateful that I get to be a big sister to her and I'm able to surprise her with such great gifts. So it's the holidays, it's Christmas, it's an early Christmas gift. Yes, it is. And we're going to have a good time. We're going to sing our hearts out and we're going to vibe. But yeah, that's what life is looking like for me right now. Thank y'all for rocking with me. I don't even know what this vlog is looking like. I feel like I was vlogging this week, but at the same time, like, I don't know. So I hope y'all are enjoying it. And yeah, I love y'all. And thanks for being here. Y'all so sweet.